Is it possible to replace the SIM card tray on the Samsung Galaxy S8 when it is broken? So if this one broken already and you want to replace it, yes, you can replace this SIM tray. They are fairly cheap to buy online, and they are very similar. So you can see this one here snap off by itself. When I try to eject the SIM, the force sometimes can be too great, and that causes this part here to damage. So if you need to buy another one, they are freely available online. I'll show you here where you can grab one of these. So you just need to unlock the phone, and in here you can see the SIM tray. You can get them from Amazon or eBay, and this is what it looks like. So they're fairly cheap to grab online for $4.50 to $6 depending on the seller or where you get them from. They're fairly cheap, and if it's broken, yeah, sure, you can definitely buy them online. Just go to the online store and buy it. If it is already broken, do not try to put it back into the slot, because once you put it back into the slot, it's very difficult to pull it back out, because as we're pushing the pin through the hole here, there is a mechanism down at the bottom that push the SIM tray out, and if it's broken, there's nothing to push, so your SIM tray may get stuck inside. So if it is already out and if it's broken, do not try to put it back in. Wait until you can buy a new SIM tray. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.